Hi there, I'm Ash, and I'm studying Bachelor of Zoology and Ecology, and today I want to show you guys one of many methods that are used in biocontrol. This tree is called a lebbek tree, which is naturally found in North Australia and neighboring countries such as New Guinea and Indonesia. The tree is introduced to Townsville where we are now. The tree is a low-profile weed, which means that the risk for the plant to escape is small. The trees were planted here to choke out the weeds so we could have a fresh understory to start a rehabilitation project and plant native species. As you can see, there are almost no weeds under the trees here, but if we walk out of the control area, you can see a lot of them. This is a prime example of a high-profile weed. This is the introduced and very invasive China apple. It spreads quickly and is hard to get rid of, and is very annoying to accidentally brush into. You can see that it has very sharp thorns, and I have to admit I did get stuck while filming this video. This is a tree from the same family as the lebbek tree, but it is native to Townsville. Now why don't we use this tree to control our site? Well, it does not grow as fast as the lebbek tree, and time is money when you work on projects like these. We have already started to plant the native species, and in about 4 years' time, the native plants should be established enough to survive without being choked out by weeds. So in the future, all of these lebbek trees will be chopped down and poisoned so the native plants can build up their own canopy. The natives that are planted are important for many small animals. They provide food and home for animals such as skinks, bats, birds, and mammals. And we hope to regain a higher animal and plant diversity once this project is done. Invasive plants tend to grow very fast and can take over a landscape, making it impossible for natives to compete with them. The loss of native plants will result in loss of animals that can no longer find food in the area. We don't want to lose any of these animals. Therefore, it's important not to lose any of the native plants. If you see a plant that looks suspicious, you can try to identify it on weeds.org.au, or you can reach out to a local weed page on social media to identify if it's a potentially invasive species. We have no animals or plants to lose.